If you've been following AI video lately, you've probably noticed one name popping up everywhere: Higgsfield. Higgsfield has quickly become one of the most talked about Gen AI platforms, especially among creators who care about cinematic quality, realism, and creative control. And right now, there's one thing the entire AI video community is waiting for: Kling 3.0. It hasn't officially launched yet, but the hype is real. Twitter, Reddit, and creator communities are buzzing with expectations, rumors, and early signals. So in this video, we're not doing a tutorial. This is a pre-release breakdown. I'll walk you through what we know so far about Kling 3.0, what creators are hoping it will deliver, why Kling 3.0 could be a major step forward for AI video generation, and I'll also show you the real public sources driving this hype directly on screen. Let's get into it. What is Kling and why Kling 3.0 matters? Kling is Higgsfield's AI video generation model, and over the past versions, it's earned a reputation for strong realism and cinematic output. The current latest version most creators are using is Kling 2.6. With Kling 2.6, you can generate videos up to around 10 seconds, output video capped at 1080p, get impressive visual realism, especially in simple scenes, but creators have also noticed limitations. Motion consistency can break in complex scenes, characters may shift slightly between shots, generation and refinement still feel like separate steps. That's where Kling 3.0 comes in. Based on everything circulating publicly, Kling 3.0 is positioned not as a small update, but as a big leap forward. Let's start with the Higgsfield blog, which is one of the biggest sources of early signals. Expectations from Kling 3.0, user discussions on updates. As you scroll through this post, a few key themes keep coming up again and again. Longer video clips, higher quality output, better consistency across shots, a more unified workflow. This post doesn't confirm specs, and that's important, but it reflects what the community is consistently asking for. The message here is clear: creators want less glitching, less randomness, and more control, without sacrificing realism. One of the biggest expectations around Kling 3.0 is next-generation video quality. Creators are hoping for cleaner realism, smoother motion, stronger shot-to-shot coherence. In other words, videos that feel more production-ready straight out of generation. Right now, Kling already does a lot well visually, but Kling 3.0 is expected to push that even further, especially when scenes become more complex or cinematic. Another major topic is something being described as Kling 3.0 Omni. The idea here is a more unified, end-to-end workflow. Instead of treating each generation as a separate moment, the model is expected to maintain better context, understand continuity across scenes, make smarter decisions from shot to shot. For creators, this could mean less reprompting, less fixing broken frames, more intentional storytelling. If this lands the way people expect, it could dramatically improve how AI video fits into real creative pipelines. Higher-end targets, 4K, 60 FPS, and longer clips, 545 to 645. One of the most hyped expectations is higher-end output targets. A lot of discussion points toward native 4K video output, 60 frames per second, clip lengths extending to around 15 seconds while staying stable. That's a big jump from the current 1080p and shorter clip limits. If Kling 3.0 can deliver longer clips without losing character consistency, that alone would be a major win for creators. Creators are also watching closely for improvements in details and physics. Some of the most common expectations include sharper macro and close-up shots, cleaner textures and fine details, better hand interactions, object handling, and physical contact. This matters a lot because hands, hugs, and object interactions are where AI video often breaks immersion. Reducing melt effects, glitches, and unnatural motion could push Kling 3.0 into a much more believable space. Beyond the blog, there's strong buzz on Twitter, X, and Reddit. On screen, you can see an official Higgsfield post teasing Kling 3.0. Short, subtle, but clearly intentional. And on Reddit, creators are actively discussing timelines, features, and expectations, with many pointing to Kling 3.0 as a potential category-defining update. Again, nothing here is confirmed, but the consistency of these signals is what makes this interesting. To be clear, Kling 3.0 details are not officially finalized yet. Everything discussed here is based on public blog posts, community discussions, industry expectations, but if even a portion of these expectations land, Kling 3.0 could represent a major step forward for AI video creation. If you want to be among the first to access Kling 3.0 when it goes live, check the links in the description, including early signals and the official access page. This is one launch creators are definitely watching closely. So, that's everything we know so far about Kling 3.0, the expectations, the signals, and why so many creators are watching this launch closely. Again, nothing here is officially confirmed yet, but the direction looks promising. If Kling 3.0 delivers even part of what the community is hoping for, it could seriously change what's possible with AI video creation. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And let me know in the comments, what feature are you most excited about in Kling 3.0? 4K output, longer clips, or better consistency? If you want to stay updated on AI video tools, creator workflows, and upcoming launches like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.